This is a USB-C to USB-C cable. What it simply means is that both ends of the cable are USB-C. And it means that you can plug this to connect any two devices that have USB-C port. For example, I can connect it to two phones. Same cable, two phones. What can you do really with a USB-C to USB-C cable? What purpose can it serve? Let's see what happens when we plug in these two phones. This guy here is charging. This phone is charging this phone. This is at 97%. This guy is at 99%. My observation has been that if you want to charge this phone, plug in the USB-C cable to this first. And by the time you plug in this guy is charging. If we change the order of things, so I have plugged cable in here first, and then I plug in here. This guy is charging. The host, the giver, is where you plug in the cable first, and then you plug it into the receiver second. That way you determine the direction of the flow of current. The first thing that you can do with a USB-C to USB-C cable is to charge. You can use it to charge a phone with another phone. You can use it to charge your earbuds with your phone. You can use it to charge some other device with your phone. Now, what else can you do? Notice this: when I plug in the cable, there is an alert saying that your phone is charging, but the following functions can be enabled: file transfer via Android Auto, or a PC connection. So I can use a USB-C to USB-C cable to transfer files between two phones and to transfer files between a phone and a PC. You can use one phone to charge another phone or another device with a USB-C cable. You can use a USB-C to C cable to transfer files, pictures, video from one phone to another, or from a laptop to a phone. Lastly, there are chargers that use a USB-C port, and so you can use this to charge your phone from the wall. Brands that have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C adapter include Google Pixel and Samsung Galaxy. I am sure there will be others, but I know those for a fact because I have used them. And all you need to do, if you have a USB-C to USB-C cable, is to buy a Type-C to Type-C adapter, plug one end in, and you can charge any Type-C device that you have. So three things really you can do with a Type-C to Type-C cable. 1, charge one device from the other. 2, transfer media files from one device to the other. 3, charge a device from a proper mains power outlet. I'll see you again next time. Take care.